Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to reset camera settings on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! So, first let's simply expand our control center, just like that, and then head into Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to scroll all the way down into Reset. You want to click it, and right here you have the option to reset defaults. If we click on it, we will see that this will basically reset capture settings to their default. So if you have ever changed, for example, the resolution or some settings or some export settings or whatever, then everything will be erased, but your SD card and everything on it will be safe. So we want to hit reset, and as you can see, we are now restarting our settings to default. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.